Hello everyone, I am Saidit and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's related to the green tint issue testing on the POCO F3 GT device. Let's see friends whether the POCO F3 GT has got any kind of green tint issue problem or not, because in the past we did see the green tint problem happening in the iQOO 7 and Mi11X smartphone. So if you are new to this kind of green tint problem, what is green tint? How to check the green tint issue, whether it's there or not in your phone. So don't worry, I got you covered. There's a videos which I uploaded plenty of them in the YouTube. Just type in the YouTube green tint SciTech Guru, just type, that's it. You'll get all my videos where I did explain each and every clearly how to find out the green tint problem. So you'll get those videos which are really helpful. So I'm not saying for the gaining the views, I'm just showing you for the information purpose only. So first, the green tint problem will be only happening in few circumstances only. I'll try to explain what are those. So first, you need to use the screen with the dark mode, complete phone with the dark mode, and second, use in the low brightness, and third, turn off all the lights in the room. I mean, make the surrounding environment completely dark. Only then you will be able to see the green tint problem happening on the devices. So this green tint problem basically happens only in the AMOLED phones most of the time, that's what, and not in all AMOLED phones. No, I did not see any green tint problem in the Realme X1 Max. These Realme X1 Max or OnePlus phones I did not see. In the OnePlus there is another pink tint problem is going on. That's for another topic, but let's see whether this phone has got any other green tint problem or not. So let's get started friends. First thing is to turn on the dark mode. Step 1 is cleared. And second step is to decrease the brightness. That's done. And third step is to obviously switch off all my lights. So I'll try to do that. So right now, as you can see friends, complete lights have been turned off entirely, and the brightness also I did decrease right now. So you can actually find the green tint by opening the application, which is a Google Chrome. So if you open the Google Chrome application, and if you try to go to the incognito mode, only then you will be able to find the green tint kind of problem occurring near the punch hole. I think just a little bit, I can see a little bit kind of green tint, just a little bit, as you can see friends on the top. Just a little bit, but I'll try to compare with other phone, then you'll be able to understand what is actually green tint mean. So just a little bit, I cannot say exactly, but I'll try to decrease the increase and decrease the brightness, so maybe you might be able to identify much. So overall, in the low brightness as well, the phone should be displaying in this kind of gray color sometimes in the low brightness, but instead of that, few of the phones they'll try to display the greenish kind of color, green kind of color. Right now I think maybe somewhere on the top, just little bit, not much, but just a little bit. I'll try to show you using the settings and different options as well, different applications. So in this way you will be able to understand what is happening actually with the phone. So let me know in the comment section below, is this kind of green tint issue, will it bother you or not? That's what I'm going to exactly check in the comments. And the actual green tint problem is like this. So this is what the big green tint problem is. In my opinion, I'll definitely consider this is a big problem. But in the POCO F3 GT I cannot find much, not much, no, I don't think, no. So in the Mi11X device you can absolutely see with your eyes, you can see your friends how much the green tint is actually in the Mi11X device, in that kind of greenish kind of area, something around here. So I think the POCO F3 GT may not be having the green tint issue. Maybe that's what in my unit friends, try to understand, I'm trying to say only in my unit, okay, not in all the units, maybe only in my unit that is a problem. So there is no green tint in my unit. So maybe in the other units you might be able to see it, but I'll try to use different applications and show you. I did check few applications which I used before. I cannot find any kind of green kind of color over there, not in the settings. I'll try to show you in the settings as well. So if you try to look at the Amazon reviews about Mi11X device, you will definitely understand. One more final confirmation I need to do in the settings application, whether I can see any kind of green tint or not with the low brightness mode. At this moment, I don't think I can see any kind of green tint. No, in the settings application, I cannot see that anymore. Nothing at all. Even in the lock screen while accessing this notification, nothing at all. I don't think friends there is any kind of green tint in the POCO F3 GT device. So friends, the final conclusion is that I cannot see any kind of green tint issue is going on in the POCO F3 GT device in my unit. I'm not sure about the other units, because this green tint issue may happen from one unit to other unit. It's completely different. So in my unit, I did not see any kind of green tint issue. I think so far, I think this was the perfect phone without any kind of issues which I got, because previously I did buy the iQOO 7, a lot of issues, even with the Realme X1 Max, a lot of other issues, and maybe this might be the another thing I thought, but there's no issue regarding the green tint issue. So if you ask me what is the issue with the Realme X1 Max, my touch sampling rate I'm getting only 240 Hz. I'm not getting 360 Hz. And if you ask me what is the issue with the iQOO 7 device, I'm getting the green tint issue in the iQOO 7 in my unit. Not in other. I'm not sure about others, but in my unit I did get the green tint. So friends, this is a conclusion about the Poco F3 GT. Finally, in my unit, I'm trying to specifically say that in my unit I did not see any kind of green tint. I cannot find that. Absolutely not in my unit. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to check the playlist for the Poco F3 GT, which I have created just today and which will be useful for a lot of other users who are actually planning to buy the device. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, bye.